Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, who was also the former governor, who is also the former governor of Rivers State, has said that if Atiku Abubakar, former vice president, could come out publicly and say that he is not contesting the presidency again, that the PDP crisis will go down. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. Is Atiku the only problem of the PDP? Or are there multiple problems facing the PDP, the former ruling party in Nigeria, the People's Democratic Party? Now, the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, has said that if Atiku Abubakar, former vice president, can come out and say that he is no longer interested in contesting the presidency of Nigeria, that the People's Democratic Party's crisis will go down. Now, Nyesom Wike spoke through his special assistant on public communication, Olalere Olayinka, where he blamed the crisis rocking the People's Democratic Party on the former vice president. He submitted that Atiku has always been putting his personal interest above the party interest, and that the leadership of the party has not done anything to call him to order. In other words, the leadership of the party has failed to call him to order. He made this assertion while speaking with Punch newspaper about the internal challenges facing the People's Democratic Party and whether they stand a chance in 2027 election. Now, he went on, the spokesperson of Wike went on to narrate how Atiku had been leading rebellion against the party over the years, and that he is responsible for the current crisis in the party. I can give it to Wike and his spokesperson that Atiku had been leading the rebellion against his own party. Obasanjo can confirm that he led a rebellion against Obasanjo in 2003. And Obasanjo has not forgotten that. Obasanjo detailed the rebellious attitude of the former vice president in his book, My Watch, when in 2003 he wanted to upstage Obasanjo because of Atiku's alleged closeness with the governors of PDP at that time. So on that score, I can agree on that. Again, if you look at what happened in 2011, Atiku Abubakar also led the rebellion against his party when his party had already chosen Goodluck Ebele Jonathan to be their candidate. He led the rebellion against his party. He left his party to go and contest in another platform. Okay? No, he didn't leave his party. He led the rebellion in 2011, challenging Jonathan, that Jonathan should not be allowed to do to run for office, that it is the turn of the North. Because Jonathan didn't back down, he mobilized Northern opposition against Jonathan. But Jonathan later prevailed and got the ticket of the PDP to be their running mate. It was in 2007 that he led a rebellion against his party. That was when he teamed up with Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu's party, the AC, or ACN they call it that time, to contest, to challenge the party's candidate. I'm talking about to challenge the party's candidates, that the PDP candidate at that time, which was Omar Musa Yar'Adua. Okay, so he led a rebellion to stop Jonathan from in 2011 from being the candidate of the party. Again, he led a rebellion in 2015 in stopping Jonathan from getting second term. That was when he led a rebellion of PDP people that defected to the APC. Okay, where he also attempted to be their candidate, but Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu and co worked against him and ensured that Buhari emerged as the candidate of the party. In 2019, that was a given that the position of the presidency of Nigeria should remain in the North. So it was an easy ride for Atiku Abubakar. He emerged the candidate of the party. But in 2023, when the presidency is supposed to go to Southeast, he again led a rebellion in ensuring that there was no zoning of the presidency. But he was not alone. Nyesom Wike, that is talking, was among those who rebelled against zoning that position to the Southeast, which is the most marginalized PDP loyal zone in Nigeria. They conspired, both Nyesom Wike and Atiku Abubakar, to ensure that there was no zoning of the presidency to the Southeast. They were able to manipulate the party leadership at that time to throw the position open. Nyesom Wike was in cahoots with him in making sure that Southeast did not get the presidency in 2023. So Nyesom Wike cannot come and tell us stories about rebellion, because if they had followed the rule of engagement of zoning, the presidency ought to have gone to the Southeast. But Atiku Abubakar rebelled against that, and he got what he wanted. The thing was thrown open. Nyesom Wike also rebelled against that, and the thing was thrown open. The only reason why Nyesom Wike began to complain was when Atiku Abubakar outsmarted him and picked the ticket. And according to Dele Momodu, who was an insider at that time, Nyesom Wike was now hoping to be made the vice presidential candidate to Atiku Abubakar. It was when Atiku Abubakar did not choose him as his running mate that he now began to talk about that power must shift to the South. And then he now decided to work with Bola Ahmed Tinubu to undermine his own party candidate. So he rebelled against his party's candidate and was so proud of it. And even ahead of the 2027 election, he has already concluded that PDP has no candidate that can be able to do better than Tinubu. So, in other words, he's not telling us the truth, that if Atiku say he will not contest, that the problem of PDP will stop. No, problem of PDP will not stop until Bola Ahmed Tinubu remove his hand from ensuring that PDP does not have a credible candidate to contest in 2027. And it is believed that Nyesom Wike is his man in PDP, making sure that the PDP is totally made useless as a political party ahead of the 2027 presidential election. Because if you say that Atiku Abubakar should announce that he will not contest, that it will crisis in PDP will go down. If the crisis in PDP go down, would that stop Nyesom Wike from declaring and supporting Tinubu to be the next president in 2027? It will not. So it doesn't really make sense that Atiku is the problem. I think the PDP is in a mess because of Nyesom Wike and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Both of them are responsible for the crisis in PDP. Both of them can make or mar PDP in 2027. That's my take. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.